South Korea's economic expansion exceeded market expectations in the third quarter, prompting some financial firms to raise their annual growth outlooks. But others aren't swayed by the stronger performance as the year draws closer to an end. Our Kim So-yeon reports.
Low growth plagued the South Korean economy for 9 straight quarters through March, stagnating below 1%. But things have turned around over the second and third quarters. On Tuesday, financial industry sources said high investment in securities raised its annual growth forecast for the Korean economy from 2.6 to 2.7%, immediately after third quarter growth results came out. The Bank of Korea announced last Friday that the Korean economy grew 1.1% in the third quarter, marking growth over 1% for the second straight quarter. Industry sources say this also prompted HYE to raise its growth outlook for next year from 3 to 3.4%. Nomura Securities also revised this year's growth forecast for Korea upward from 2.7 to 2.9%. It also maintained its 4% growth outlook for Korea next year, which is the highest in the market. Seoul's finance ministry also believes growth could reach 2.9% if the current growth trend continues. Industry experts say the positive revisions reflect the belief that the quality of economic recovery has improved entering the year's second half. They say the improvement stems from a shift in recovery from the public to private sector and from exports to domestic demand. But there are others wary of too much optimism. Dongbu Securities has not changed its growth forecast for both this and next year. It predicts annual growth will not change, saying that recent U.S. government shutdown and other adverse effects will impact fourth quarter growth. The Korea Development Institute says growth will increase this year, but the outlook for 2014 is uncertain for a number of reasons, including the stimulus drawdown and debt ceiling talks in the U.S. and a consumption tax hike scheduled in Japan. Kim So-yeon.